No. Yes? No. Okay, we did press the right button. I thought I just took a photo of the rubbish bin. Alright. Coming up there. This is my favourite part. It's so peaceful. I wonder if we can get in there. I think it's locked. Oh my gosh, this will be the first time I've gone in. Now, how would you like to be in here? Look at this old book. It's fantastic. Some names there. I don't know who they are. Someone must come in here and turn the page, because they got today's date at the top there. Every 2 days they must do it. There's a few urns in the window there. I didn't actually think you can come in here. Quite peaceful. I do love the water fountain outside. Someone just walked past with a dog. I'm going to go back out now. Can I get out this way? I think I can. So I always come here whenever I come here. Walk along. Ooh. I don't know if there's any golf machines. I'm just getting vertigo just doing this. I'm just going to go up to here. Yeah, I'm a bit wobbly. Okay, I'm getting off that. Standing by water. We've just had Mother's Day here in Australia, so heaps of people would have come up here and yeah, just sort of like done their little thing, I guess you could say, and just left some flowers and so many flowers. The caretaker must have had problems keeping up with it all, surely. And you know, you've got little ornaments like this up here on the tree. The leaves are dangling. I love it here, I really do. I think if I ever wanted to be buried somewhere, it would be here, I think. But I don't think they bury people here, mostly by how small the flats are. I think this is just cremations, I think. It's sad, it's happy, and it's peaceful all at the same time. Getting emotional. I don't know why, I'm getting emotional. I'm going to stop it there, someone just like that. We should go in here. Okay then. No, I wanted to go around the corner here. I wanted to go behind the wall. And I'll tell you why. Oh, I feel like I'm stepping on there as well. I think we've got people here too. We wonder where all that water's coming from. Coming from here. So that's the gap there.